Hello friends, welcome to all. Today we discuss the example of a interconnected power system. The subject of a interconnected power system, here we discuss the example of a power system matrices basis. In a previous video lecture, we discussed some example related to interconnected system. And now in this video, we discuss the example related to the Y-bus matrix. Now we start the example. In the example, the value is determine the Y-bus of the 3-bus system. Here we connected with the 3-bus system. Bus 1, bus 2 and bus 3 are connected between them. Here the given data is the line series impedance are as follows. The series impedance are given are the value is line 1 to 2, the impedance value is 0.06 plus j into 0.18. In the bus 1 to bus 3, the impedance value is 0.03 to j into 0.09. In the line 2 to line 3, the impedance value of this bus system are 0.08 to 0.24 in this connected system. Here we draw the power system network of a bus 1, bus 2 and bus 3. Here in the given data, we should consider or neglect a shunt impedance value, and then after if each line has the total shunt admittance of a minus j into 5.0 per unit in the given data, we should determine the modified Y bus system. In this example में हम modified Y bus system को represent करेंगे. In the given example, the impedance are given, so we need to convert it into admittance by taking a inverse form. This line, the impedance is given, so by admittance form we should take a convert value by using impedance form. Now for the admittance of Y12 is equal to 1 upon Z12. So the value of Z12 is given that, so the Y12 is Z12 is value is 0.06 plus j into 0.18. So the output of admittance Y12 is 1.66 minus j into 5. Similarly, the admittance of Y13 is equal to 1 upon Z13. So the value of Z13 is 0.03 plus j into 0.09. So the output of them is 3.33 minus j into 10. The admittance of Y23 is equal to 1 upon impedance Z23. So the value is 0.08 plus j into 0.24. So the output of them is 1.25 minus j into 3.75. Similarly, we can find the value of Y11. The value of Y11 is equal to small Y12 minus the small form Y13. So the output is 1.66 minus j into 5 plus 3.33 minus j into 10. So the output of them is 5 minus j into 50. Similarly, y22 is a small y12 minus y23. So the output is 1.66 minus j into 5 plus 1.25 minus j into 3.75. The output of them is 2.91 minus j into 8.75. Similarly, the value of y33 is equal to y23 minus y13. So the output is 1.25 minus j into 3.75 plus 3.33 minus j into 10. So the output of them is 4.58 minus j into 13.75. Since the off diagonal elements, we will neglect the form of this value. So we can write the off diagonal elements are y12 is equal to minus in a small form y12 for the off diagonal element. Off diagonal element. So the output is minus y12 value is 1.66 minus j into 5. So the total value will be minus 1.66 plus j into 5 is the y21. Similarly, y23 is equal to minus in a small form y23. The output is minus, the value of y23 is 1.25 minus j into 3.75. So the output is minus 1.25 plus j into 3.75 is equal to y32. Similarly, the value of y13 is equal to minus in a small form y13. The output of y13 is 3.33 minus j into 10 in a minus form. So the output of them is a minus 3.33 plus j into 10 is equal to y31. By using this off diagonal element and bus admittance matrix, we should write the total Y bus system of this given network. The Y bus of the value is this form. In the first row, we should write the value is 5 minus j into 1 5. In the next point is minus 1.66 plus j into 5 for the using in this data. In the third value is minus 3.33 into j20 plus j20. In the next column we should write the value is minus 1.66 plus j into 5. The next line is 2.91 minus j into 8.75. The third line will be minus 1.25 plus j into 3.75. The third column is minus 3.33 plus j into 10. The next line is a minus 1.25 plus j into 3.75 and 4.58 minus j into 13.75. This is a find y bus matrix of this given network. Now we will take a next example of the power system matrices topic. The next example is, in a following y bus system, the shunt admittance at the buses are negligible. The line impedance can be given, here given the line impedance of this network. The network of the system is are given here. Here it is a first bus, second bus, third and fourth are connected them, and this is a dotted line between them is a negligible. Here we previously discussed 1 to 3 node. In this interconnected system network, we should find following the y bus system. The shunt admittance at the buses are negligible. Here the shunt admittance of these buses we should neglect. In the given data is the line impedance can be given. Line impedance of the resistance and reactance in a per unit system are, for the bus 1 to bus 2, the resistance of this per unit is 0.025. In the bus 2 to bus 3, the resistance in a per unit system is given 0.02. In a bus 3 to bus 4, the resistance of this system is 0.05, and bus 1 to bus 4, the resistance of this given network is 0.04. For the reactance of this line in the bus 1 to bus 2, the reactance is 0.10. In a bus 2 to bus 3, the reactance of this line is 0.08, and bus 3 bus 4, the reactance of line is 0.20, and bus 1 to bus 4, the reactance is given 0.16. In this example, we should find 2 points. Here it is a interconnected network. 1, 2, 3 and 4 buses are connected between them. First point we should find is assume that the line shown is dotted from bus 1 to bus 3 are not in present. Here first of all we should assume the line is dotted. There is a line of a dotted line between them is bus 1 to bus 3. From bus 1 to bus 3 is not in present, and then after we should find the formulate the y bus. So we should find the y bus system when the line is not connected 1 2 3. So we should find the y bus system. The next point we should find is which element of y bus is obtained above are affected when the line from bus 1 to bus 3 is added. So we should find which element is obtained above is affected when the line from bus 1 to bus 3 is added. Here we should note that the new line has no mutual coupling with other line. So if the power per unit impedance of this line is 0.1 plus j into 0.4 in a given data, so we should find the new y bus system. First of all we should find the y bus as a neglect of the bus 1 to bus 3, and then after when we added the line of bus 1 to bus 3, we should find the value of a new y bus system. For the formulation of this given network, we should find the admittance of a y11. By using the previous example method, we should write the directly value of y11. y11 is equal to y12 plus y14. So we can write that the impedance and admittance form of this network is a Z12 1 upon Z12 plus 1 upon Z14. Similarly, 1 upon Z12 is given data is a R12 plus JX12 and 1 upon Z14 is equal to 1 upon R14 plus J into X14. So the output is of this given network when we added this value, so the resultant is 3.82 minus J into 15.29. When we add this value, resistance and reactance of this given parameters, so the output of this resultant is 3.82 minus J into 50.29. In the same way, when we find the value of y21 is equal to y12, so the output is minus small y12 is also is equal to minus 1 upon z12. So the resultant is when we add the value of z12 is a r12 plus jx12. So the output when we put the value by using the parameters, the output is minus 2.35 plus j into 9.41. When in the similar way we add the value of y14 is equal to y41 is equal to minus small y14. So the output of them is minus 1 upon z14. When we put the value of z14 is, and then the resultant of this formulation is minus 1.47 plus j into 5.88. Now we write the value of y22 is equal to small y12 plus small y23 is equal to 1 upon z12 plus 1 upon z23. So the output of them is 1 upon r12 plus j into x12 plus 1 upon r23 plus j into x23. So the output of this value when we put the parameters in this formulation and calculate them, the output is 5.29 minus j into 21.17. Now we find the value of y23 is equal to y32. So the output is minus y23 is equal to minus 1 upon z23. So the output is minus 2.94 plus j into 11.76. There is the output of them. In the same way, when we write the value of y24 is equal to y42, output is 0. There is no connection between them. In the next level, we find y33 is equal to y23 plus y34. So the value is 1 upon z23 plus 1 upon z34. So the output is 1 upon R23 plus j into x23 plus 1 upon R34 plus jx34. So the resultant of this value is 4.11 minus j into 16.466. There is output of Y334. When we write the value of Y34 is equal to Y43. So the value is minus Y34 in a small form is equal to minus 1 upon Z34. So the resultant of this value is minus 1.176 plus j into 4.706 in output form. By using all these parameters, in a similarly way, we write the value of Y44. Y44 is equal to small Y34 plus Y14. So is equal to value of Z34 plus 1 upon Z14. So output is 1 upon R34 plus j into x34 plus 1 upon R14 वत्ता j x14. The output is 2.646 minus j into 10.586. The bus admittance matrix, by using all these parameters, we can write the output of the similarly form. For the bus admittance matrix, we can write here Y bus matrix is in a form R. By bus admittance matrix, all these parameters are added in a Y bus system. So the output is 3.82 minus j into 15.29. The next line is minus 2.35 plus j into 9.41. The next line is there is no connection between them, so the output is 0. And next is minus 1.47 plus j into 5.28. There is a similar parameters in a previous example we discussed, so we write directly in a form. So the next column we write the value is minus 2.35 plus j into 9.41. The next is a 5.29 minus j into 21.17. The third line is minus 2.94 plus j into 11.76. And the fourth is there is no connection between them, output is 0. The third column, the first of all there is no connection, so the output is 0. In the next line the output is minus 2.94 plus j into 11.76. The next point is a 4.116 minus j into 16.466. The next line is minus 1.176 plus j into 4.706. In the fourth column, the output is minus 1.47 plus j into 5.88. The next value is 0. The next output is, third output is minus 1.176 plus j into 4.706, and the fourth output of this column is 2.646 minus j into 10.58. That is a resultant of Y bus system.